Hey girlfriend, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my solo nighttime routine as a stay-at-home mom of 2. My husband is away on a military assignment for 4 months, so while he is away I'm taking the overall responsibilities of keeping the house in order, and the kids and I are working together as a team. So I kind of want to share with you guys what that looks like.
To hide your feelings. Yeah, you keep thinking it's right to keep a distance. It's like nothing I do.
So we had chili and cornbread for dinner, and after dinner we all just do a quick 20-minute tidy. This is basically the kids sharing the responsibility of wiping the table and vacuuming the dining room while I tidy up the kitchen before they go upstairs to brush their teeth. Just doing this as a family in a few minutes can really clear space in no time. Plus it saves me time from not having to worry about doing this later on when they go to sleep.
I'm falling behind you now, I'm losing my mind. I'm blending into the moving crowd. It's like I'm lost in the night, trying to keep up with the time. Why don't you slow it down? Oh yeah, I'm not gonna find you. Yeah, you keep thinking it's right to keep a distance. It's like nothing I do is enough. I've been holding my breath, but it's hard when I am running.
So around this time my husband had called, and the kids were so excited to talk to their dad that they took my phone upstairs to continue on with their video chat and just tell them all about their day and what they learned at school and their new friends and whatever else that was in their hearts to share with their dad.
I'm blending into the moving crowd, running back to you, running. I've been holding my breath, but it's hard when I am running. Oh, back to
After finishing the dishes, I'm going to use my favorite fall scent from Mrs. Meyer's, and this is in the scent apple cider vinegar.
I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us and we can stay up all night.
Typically when I'm cleaning, I like to have some type of sound in the background, and that sound can be music, listening to someone on the podcast, listening to a message, or just watching a video from a fellow YouTube mama. However, the sounds that I was hearing so loud from upstairs was the best sound that I ever could listen to at this present time, because it just showed me how much they love their dad, how much they miss them, and just a special bond that they have. But comment below, what is your favorite thing to listen to, or do you like to have some type of sound when you're cleaning?
I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
After wiping the counters, I'm going to go ahead and take my cloth and my sponge and then place them in the microwave for a minute just to disinfect it, and then I'm going to vacuum my floors clean.
All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it.
So before I jump on this video call, I'm going to place my children's schoolwork in their assigned folders and place them in their book bag. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what your after dinner routine looks like, especially if you're doing it solo on some nights. I hope that you have an amazing day, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, girlfriend. Until next time, stay beautiful.